Page 62, this is another 3-minute technique thing. Now on this page they're covering two different kinds of motion we use in piano playing a lot. The top part of the page is parallel motion and the bottom part of the page is contrary motion. They're talking about the problems you have when you're playing in what we call parallel motion. Parallel is when they're side by side. Parallel motion is when the hands are all going the same direction. So here we're in C position. The problem here is that when you're going in parallel, the third fingers usually are the only fingers that are playing in each hand at the same time. Otherwise you got different fingers going on in the different hands, and that causes problems. I remember when I was little learning to do this, this was a struggle for me. My fingers didn't want to do this. So it's like a thumb and a little finger, and then you got a ring finger and an index finger. Now the two middle fingers are together. Then your other way, index, ring. You're using different fingers here, but it's important you be able to do this. So when you get to where you get comfortable with it, that's really what they're after. They're doing staccatos. Do short staccatos, they're doing legatos, whatever, I don't care how you do it. They're just giving you different ways of playing to give you more practice at playing. Then in the bottom half of the page they cover contrary motion. And contrary motion is when you're going in opposite directions and you think, oh, this is going to be hard. Actually it's easier because the hands like to mirror each other and they just naturally do contrary motion. So here you're starting thumbs and then index fingers. Third fingers, this is easy. I mean, you can pretty much focus on one hand and let the other just follow and you're fine. It works out wonderfully. Then the rhythms is all. You can do the rhythms. It's up to you to do that.